my name is Priyanka Mulchandani and today I'm going to be teaching you the choreography to my Kehna Hi Kya dance cover. Firstly, thank you so much for loving this choreography. I'm reading all your comments and I am absolutely overwhelmed that you guys want to learn this choreography. So here it is. Before we begin, I have 2 pointers for you. Okay, the first one, I want you to do a little bit of warm up. Also, it is a sit down choreography, but we should do a little bit of warm up. So, maybe you can do a little bit of this and reverse. Yes, and do a little bit of stretching. Upar, samne, like this, like so, and a little bit of this. Okay, so that we are all pumped up. And second point is that this choreography is divided in 2 portions. Okay, the first part is more of musical notes. Okay, so that particular section is more expressive, it's quirky, it's fun. But the second part of the choreography is more about emoting. Okay, so I'm going to give you a condition. Okay, all of us have had a crush at some point or the other in their lifetime. So the whole lyrics, the section where the lyrics begin, I'm just going to explain it a little bit, and you have to imagine yourself in that situation, and so you can emote the song well, you can express the song well. So the first line says, कहना है क्या ये नैनिक अनजान से जो मिले. So it's the first time where you lock eyes with your crush, across the room. Yes? चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले. So you have the little anxiety, butterflies in the stomach, and that kind of feeling. After that, अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं. So there's something in the air, you feel there is something, but you don't exactly know what is this feeling. There's a little bit of confusion, but then you are also happy, like that. Then, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले, कैसे मिले दिल न जानूं. So you guys have still not had the first conversation, but you still know that there is some connection, there's some spark, ऐसे घंटी बज रही है. Yes. After that, अब क्या करें, क्या नाम ले, कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं. So basically, you don't know if you should make the first move or no. So अब क्या करें, क्या नाम ले, कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं. So that. So I hope you've understood the song, the lyrics, and now we can begin with the choreography. We first start in a 0 position. So my left leg is folded like this, okay, and my right leg is folded but it is facing outward. My hands, I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to place my left hand over my right hand and keep it down, and my back is straight. This is your 0 position before we start the choreography. Okay, now we begin. So we have 2 sets of musical notes in the beginning. It goes gum sum puchu, gum sum gum puchu, gum sum gum puchu, gum sum gum puchu. Please forgive if I am pronouncing some lyrics incorrectly. I'm not very good with that, but you will understand the beats. Okay, so we start. First step, be in 0 position. So we look left, look samne, cover your face with your palms and open. Okay, once again, 5, 6, 7, go. Gum sum gum puchu. Okay, after this you're going to take your left hand and place it down. You're going to take your right hand, place it over your left hand. Okay, right below your chin, flat down. After this, what you're going to do, you're going to do a up down. Okay, we are doing up down, zyada upar nahi jana hai. Yes. So while we do this, now we are not going to do a plain up down. We are going to slightly do a reveal your palm down. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go. So from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, go. Gum sum gum puchu, gum sum gum puchu. This is your first set. Okay. Moving on to the second set. Now what you're going to do is, you're going to do a wave across your face. Yes. So I'm going to do a 1 and 2. So your hands are still joined together and I'm going from left to right just over the area of my face. So we are going 1, 2. Twice you're going to do this step. Now if you are comfortable doing right to left, that also works. I am going left to right, left to right. Okay. So after you do this step, your next step, you're going to take your left hand, jo niche hai, okay? You're going to take your left hand and pull it out. Now when you pull it out, you're going to place it at your eye level and you're going to make this wow emoji with your hand. So left hand, you pull out your left hand first, then you pull out your right hand, okay? Then you're going to blink, okay? दोनों हाथ साथ में नहीं pull out करने. First you're going to pull out your left, then right, then blink. Now this blink cannot be a normal blink, okay? It has to be an exclamation. So like this. Yes. After this you're going to go right, left, right, left. Now you have to move 3 things while you do this step. First your hands, second is your neck, and third your eyes. Okay, so we are going to go right, left, right, left. So this is the second one. I'm going slowly. Second, gumsum gumsum. So we go gumsum gumsum gumpuchu, gumsum gumpuchu. Yes. So from the beginning till here, 2 sets of gumsum. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7. Go. Gumsum gumsum gumpuchu, gumsum gumpuchu, gumsum gumsum gumpuchu, gumsum gumpuchu. All right. Moving on, so your last position is this. The next line is हलचल हो गई तेरी, होठ है तेरे चुप. Okay, so we are going to make the infinity sign. So you're going to take your right hand and cross over like this on your left side. You're going to take your left hand and move it on the right side. Okay, so we are here. We have to do हलचल. Okay, 2 times. After we do हलचल हो गई. हो गई, you have to lay your hands out. हो गई तेरी. Okay, so what is teri? Teri, you roll your hand inward and place your palm on your lips. Now just keep in mind that your hands like this should be joined and should be in a diagonal fashion, and we are also leaning slightly towards the right. Okay. After this, your next step is 1. Okay, so what are we doing? We are making a fist slowly and you're also doing this with your lips. Okay, so I'm just going to sing 5, 6, 7. Go. हलचल हो गई तेरी, होठ है तेरे चुप. Okay, I am singing but you have to do this. Yes. After this, your next step, next line is खलबल हो गई तेरी, बैठी है तू क्यों चुप. Okay, so now you're going to take your left hand, okay, and you place it on your right. You lay it out on your right. You're going to take your right hand and lay it out on your left. Okay, after you do खलबल हो गई, again you're going to roll your hand in and make a namaste like this, and your head is down. Okay, हो गई तेरी. Okay, so I'm going to show you again. We are here. We go left, right, roll in and look down, and then look up. Okay, so I'm going to go faster. 5, 6, 7. Go. खलबल हो गई तेरी. After this, your next step is बैठी है तू क्यों चुप. So now you're going to pull out your right hand and lay it out. Then you're going to pull out your left hand and lay it like this. बाजू में रखना है सिर्फ. And then after that, you're going to do finger on your lips with your left hand. Okay, so I'm going to show you from here again. 5, 6, 7. Go. खलबल हो गई तेरी, बैठी है तू क्यों चुप. Yes. So from the beginning till here, we are going to revise. Yes. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. Gumsum gumpuchu. Gumsum gumpuchu. Gumsum gumpuchu. Gumsum gumpuchu. हलचल हो गई तेरी. खलबल हो गई तेरी, बैठी है तू क्यों चुप. Alright, moving on to the next set of steps. So your last step is this. After this, the next line is प्यारे प्यारे चेहरे ने पर दे दे निशाना देखा तेरी आंखों ने है सपना कोई प्यारा. All right. So we are here. This is your last position. Right hand is just resting side mein and left hand is finger on your lips. After this, you're going to place the same hand on your right cheek, left cheek. Feel the left side of your face and then boom. Okay. So you're going to take your left hand and just place it on your right side like this. Yes. Hand is straight and we are making the stop sign. Okay. So I'm here. 5, 6, 7. Go. प्यारे प्यारे चेहरे ने पर. ठीक है, पर में you have to finish this. After this, your next step, we have to make a semicircle from right to left. We have 5 counts. Okay, so we are like this. Okay, now the action that you have to do while making the semicircle is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This is your action. Okay, so we are here. You have to remember when we start making the circle, you have to have your right hand upar. Okay. Although now when you end at par, your left hand is upar, but when you start with the semicircle, it starts with the right hand upar. So we are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You start with your right hand upar and you also end with your right hand upar. So you have 5 counts. Can we do this again? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, you are going to take your right hand and place it on your right eye. Now you won't come flat ऐसा झटके से, okay? So you're going to come ऐसा थोड़ा curvaceous format में, थोड़ा अंदर से curve करके we are going to cover the right eye. After this, the left hand which is lying down like this, okay? We're going to make a circle and 3/4, okay? So we're going to make one circle. So the hand is like this, one full circle and one 3/4, and you're going to place it like this, palm facing outward over your right hand. After this, you're going to open your left hand first and place it by your side. Open your right hand and place it upar. Okay, so I'm going to go over this section again. I'm going to sing. So we are here. प्यारे प्यारे चेहरे ने पर दे दे निशाना देखा तेरी आंखों ने है सपना कोई प्यारा. Yes, once again. 5, 6, 7, go. प्यारे प्यारे चेहरे ने पर दे दे निशाना देखा तेरी आंखों ने है सपना कोई प्यारा. So moving on, your next line goes, हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा कह दे हमसे जरा, हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा कह दे हमसे जरा. So 2 times she's saying the same line. Okay, so take your last position after you do sapna koi pyara. This is your last position. From here, for the first हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा, we are going to do dulhan. Okay, so you have to imagine you're holding a dupatta and you're doing ghungat. Okay, so in the same format, right hand upar, left hand niche. So हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा. From here, we are going to take the little finger of our left hand. You're going to go over your chin and like this. कह दे हमसे जरा. Yes. So I am here. 5, 6, 7. Go. हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा कह दे हमसे जरा. This is your first one. Okay. After this, you're going to take your left hand. Okay. And you place it inside like this. First, you take your left hand and you place it inside. Then you try to place your right hand and then the left hand opens up. So I'm going to give you a very funny example. So the left hand wants to sleep, okay? But then the right hand also wants to sleep. So the left hand gets offended and it just stands up, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा कह दे. Okay, so for keh de, you're going to take this left hand which is offended, place it on your right shoulder and flick it away. Yes, so you take your left hand, place it on your right shoulder and don't give bhav at all. So you're like, huh, I don't need you. Okay. So you take your right hand, which is here, and flick it away and place both your hands down, and you're also going to face on your left side down like this. Yes. So we are done with part 1 of the choreography, the musical section. Now we're going to start with the lyrics. But before that, we are going to go from the top till here. Ready? Okay. 0 position. 5, 6, 7, go. Gum sum gum puchu. Gum sum gum puchu. Gum sum gum puchu. Gum sum gum puchu. हलचल हो गई तेरी. खलबल हो गई तेरी. बैठी है तू क्यों चुप. प्यारे प्यारे चेहरे ने पर दे निशाना. देखा तेरी आंखों ने है सपना कोई प्यारा. हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा. कह दे हमसे जरा. हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा. कह दे हमसे जरा. Moving on to part 2 of the choreography. So last position is this. Now the first step is keh. Okay, so I'm going to take your right hand. Okay, and you're just going to do 1. After this, you're going to take your right hand and roll it upar, roll it niche, and join. Okay, now there are no beats for these steps. It's like a flowy movement. Okay, so I'm going to show you. 5, 6, 7, go. कहना है क्या ये नैन एक. Okay, so what is your step? You're going to go 1, go upar, go niche, do 2, and out. Yes, so you have to remember when the word nain. So for nain, you're just going to 1, 1. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go. And on the left side, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 1. You're going to touch the sides of your wrist. 1, 1, and open it on the right side. Again, when you open, right hand is upar, left hand is niche, opening on the right side. When you open, your hands are in this wow emoji. Okay. ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले. And 1 and 2. Okay, so for अनजान से जो मिले, you're going to make a curved line. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you do that, you're going to interlock the little fingers of both your hands on the left side, and are also going to look on your left. Okay. अनजान से जो मिले, and 1 and 2. Now this 1 and 2 is not a very audible beat. Okay, so there are certain beats or certain songs ka musicality is very different. Okay, so you have to go 1 and 2 immediately. Yes, let's do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. कहना है क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले. And 1 and 2. Yes, we are going to go once again. 5, 6, 7, go. कहना है क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले. And 1 and 2. Yes, so you're going to look down and look front. After this, the next line goes, चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले. So your last step, we are here. You have to look down and upar. After this, for chalne lage, okay. So we are going to go 1 and 2 with both your hands. ठीक है, road बनाना है. 5, 6, 7, go. चलने लगे 2 times. After you do that, directly you have to do dhush. Okay. So we are making the dulhan pose. Okay, on your left side, but it should be very quick. Okay, like a jhatka. So it goes chalne lage dhush. From here, you're going to shift this hand on your right side. Yes. So you're just going to shift your position, but you're going to take your hands over your head and place it on the right. After this, you're going to do swing and back 2 times on your left side. So for that, you're going to take again wow emoji. So you go 1 and back, 2 and back. You have to remember right hand is here, chest level, and left hand bahar hai. Yes, 1 and back, 2 and back. Yes, so I'm going to go from here again. So your last position is 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. चलने लगे ढुश मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले. Alright, let's go from the top of part 2. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. कहना है क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले. And 1 and 2. चलने लगे ढुश मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले. So your last position is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here the next line says अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले, कैसे मिले दिल न जानूं. So after we do 1 and back, 2 and back. So your next step is going to be arma. Yes. So you're going to take both your hands above your head and you're going to make a small circle with both your hands. Just involve your wrists. Okay, just your palm. 5, 6, 7, go. Arma. After that, you're going to gather everything from both your shoulders. Nae aise. After that, you're going to make a flower. ठीक है? Wrist on wrist and rotate. दिल में खिले. Yes, again wow emoji. And you're just going to raise your shoulder like this. Raise your shoulder, raise your upper body for khile. Yes. Go to your last position. 5, 6, 7, go. अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले. From here, you're going to cover your face on your right with both your palms and open it on the left side. Then you're going to cover your face on the left and open it on the right side. Yes, so this goes जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं. Yes, so let's do from Arman. So we are here. 5, 6, 7, go. अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं. From here, you're going to take both your hands upper. You're going to raise both your hands. Drop it on the right. When you drop it on the right, you will look on the left side. Again, you're going to raise your hands. Drop it on the left and look right side. Yes. So this step is on वो हमसे हम उनसे. After this, you're going to take your left hand, dust your shoulder only once. ठीक है? कभी ना. Yes. So as soon as you finish dusting your shoulder, you're going to clasp like this and hold like so. Okay? Both your palms facing outward and almost covering your face. So you remember your zero position ka palms, right? Exactly that. Just your palm faces the camera. Yes. So from the top, from Arman. So we go 1 and back, 2 and back. अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले. Yes. So from here, you're going to make a zigzag line. Okay. So we're going to go lift, point, lift, point, lift, point, lift, point. Yes. So we're going to go left, right, but not 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. We're going to go lift, point, lift, point, lift, point, lift, point. One more thing. While you do this, now when your hand goes on the left, when it goes lift, point, you're going to peep through your right side because यहाँ पर जगह है. Yes. After this, lift, point. Then from your left, lift, point, opposite, lift, point. Yes. So from कहना ही क्या till here. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. कहना है क्या and 1 and 2. चलने लगे ढुश मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले, अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले, कैसे मिले दिल न जानूं. Yes. So from here, your last set of steps. So this is the last position. Yes. From here, you're going to open up your hand like this and come forward ever so slightly. So we are here. Next line goes, अब क्या कहें. Yes. After this, you're going to take your right hand, okay, and you go below your left hand, curl it and write something. Okay. So we are here. 5, 6, 7 go. अब क्या करें, क्या नाम लें. From here you're going to take your right hand and go 1 and ऊपर, 2 and ऊपर. First right hand will go ऊपर, then left hand will go ऊपर. From there you're going to feel your face and come up until your mouth and then express. What am I supposed to do? Yes, that expression. Okay, so we go from here. 5, 6, 7 go. अब क्या करें, क्या नाम लें, कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं. From here, moving on to the last step of the dance, you're going to lift both your hands and then place it like this. So when you lift together, but then it separates, and you place your right hand in a diagonal format like this, covering your face, and left hand is out. Okay? After this, you're going to just feel the left side of your face, just this lower portion, and go 1. Yes, with full feels. Guys, this whole song choreography is about the feels. Alright, so we are done with the choreography, and now we are going to run the entire piece. So first we are only going to do part 2 from Kehna Hi Kya, and then we will go part 1 and part 2 together as in the full song. Yes, let's go. 5, 6, 7 go. कहना है क्या ये नैनिक अनजान से जो मिले, and 1 and 2. चलने लगे ढुश मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले, अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले, कैसे मिले दिल न जानूं. अब क्या करें, क्या नाम लें, कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं, कहना है क्या. Alright, now let's go from the very top, from the gumsum gumsum. Yes, let's go. So, 0 position. 5, 6, 7 go. Gumsum gumsum gum puchu, gumsum gum puchu, gumsum gumsum gum puchu, gumsum gum puchu. हलचल हो गई तेरी, होंठ है तेरे चुप, खलबल हो गई तेरी, बैठी है तू क्यों चुप, प्यारे प्यारे चेहरे में पर दे निशाना, देखा तेरी आंखों ने है सपना कोई प्यारा, हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा, कह दे हमसे जरा, हमसे गोरी ना तू शर्मा, कह दे हमसे जरा, कहना है क्या ये नैनिक अनजान से जो मिले. And 1 and 2. चलने लगे ढुश मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले, अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको अभी मैं न जानूं, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले, कैसे मिले दिल न जानूं. अब क्या करें, क्या नाम ले, कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं, कहना है क्या. guys, we are done with the tutorial. I really hope this helps you learn up the choreography. Also, if you happen to make dance covers videos, please don't forget to tag me and Peacock Culture on Instagram. Our handles are given in the description below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos and tutorials. Okay, bye.